My name is Wilmar Aguilar. I am 32 years old. I am from the municipality of Jacopi, Cundinamarca. I like dance, constraints, and I want to develop in my life project. Dorada, Dance Golden Caldas is a municipality of the East of Caldas in the Middle Magdalena region. Is a very full town of people, very friendly, cordial, sincere, and hardworking, in which there are main tourist attraction to visit. Climate and gastronomy. The climate of this place is quite hot and windy. Its gastronomy is another great attraction of this beautiful town, since in it you can find great desserts, specialty toast, take have to do with fish, since that Magdalena rivers supply the tense, especially a very first quarter of the year, where what is known as the rich occurs. Suggestion for travels to this beautiful land. To try to this place, you have to wear very comfortable clothes, and I do not you stand because being so where you will need many stuff, flip-flop, Bermuda shorts. You will also have to protect yourself from the sun, so you must wear sunscreen is your bit at all times. Visit Thames Bank of Dance River and 3 Dance Dies offer dance that they are delicious. If you do not have time or you forget to book your hotel, there is no problem. You will find several places for you London.